Hello friends, the topic for today is normal reaction. Let us understand what normal reaction is. Suppose we have two bodies A and B. Fine. Now we are pushing these two bodies with equal and opposite forces from either ends. Now this body, the entire system is at rest. That means these two bodies are separately at rest. Fine. Now as you can see, the body A has a tendency of pushing against body B. So by Newton's third law of motion, this body B provides a reaction force against the body A. So that's why we get the normal reaction as this result. Normal reaction occurs due to the Newton's third law of motion. Now it occurs perpendicular to the plane of contact of the two bodies. Fine. Now suppose this plane of contact is somewhere like this. Fine. Now as you can see, the plane of contact is common for both the bodies A and B. So as a result, we can clearly say that the normal reaction is perpendicular to the contact surface between two bodies and is directed equally and opposite to the for each bodies. So for body A, it is directed in this direction. Let us call this NA. For body B, it is directed in this direction, NB. F. Right? Now as I have said earlier that NA is equals to NB and the direction is also same. So we can write NA vector is equals to minus NB vector. Fine. Now let us look at the definition of normal reaction. Normal reaction is the component of contact force that is perpendicular to the surface of contact of two bodies. It is an electromagnetic force. So this is the definition of normal reaction. Fine. Now let us look at some examples. Let us begin by a very simple example. Suppose this is a ground and a body of mass m is lying on it. So if we draw the free body diagram of this body, we get mg, and since this body is at rest, so we can easily say that reaction force is offered by the ground, and G, and the magnitude of this reaction force has to be equal to mg, since this body is at rest. Here are two more examples to illustrate normal reaction. The first one, the second one. The first one, we have an inclined plane and a box of mass m lying on it. Fine. Now if we look at this box of mass m, the gravitational force is acting on it, as well as the normal reaction is offered by the ground in this direction. Since this is the contact plane, normal reaction is perpendicular to the contact plane, and hence it is in this direction that I am showing with this arrow. So this is the normal reaction. Now in this example, which is a bit complicated, let us see how we can just see our normal reactions. Now in this contact plane between the two balls that is put in a glass, the contact plane is like this. Fine. So the normal reaction acting on ball number 1 is in this direction, and that acting on the ball number 2 is just in the opposite direction, and the reaction force is equal in magnitude. Right? Now let us look at ball number 1. There is a normal force acting in this direction that is given by the glass. So we write this N1G. Fine. Now there is also a normal force acting in this direction. So we write this as N1S, since this is from the side. And there is a normal force acting in direction N12. I have written N12 since this normal force is common for both 1 and 2, and also there is a gravity acting in the downward direction. M1G. So similar thing can be done for body number 2. I am not showing it here. So one thing that you have to keep in mind is that whenever there is a contact between two bodies, you always have to include the normal reaction. Now this normal reaction may be 0, but it's very necessary to keep it, because in case if there is a tendency of equal and opposite force acting between the two bodies, then the normal reaction would not be 0. So let me just write this point down over here. Whenever there is a contact, please include normal reaction. Fine. So friends, that's it from this video. In the next video we are going to look at tension. So after that we would look at spring forces. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and that's it for today. Goodbye.